TB or QB, so many things are coming up. It can be of any size. Velocity. Velocity in the sense, it might be the speed of coming up. Like 9.5 TB of data, which will not come within within 10 hours. It might come within 1 hour. The speed of the
Yes.
data might be. You cannot estimate it. Okay, because in a
Yes.
fine day, for example, it might be a birthday where you get so many messages. It might be a festival where you get so many messages. Correct. So
Yes. Yes.
the velocity of data coming up will be very high, and the variety of data that what you are getting, it might be an image, it might be a whatever it is, video, audio, the variety of data.
Okay.
Okay. So these
Yes.
three things, the volume of data, the velocity of data, the variety of data can be processed by a concept called big data. In traditional methodology, okay, traditional methodology, we are not able to process the unstructured data. Unstructured data in the sense, in Facebook, if you are pinging somebody, chatting with somebody, you'll be putting smileys and all, right?
Yes.
These smileys cannot be, properly processed in traditional methodology. We used to see that. But in big data technology, even that can be processed. That's the advantage which has been highlighted in big data. Even you can process both structured and unstructured data of any format. Because we have different converters. Once we get deeper, I will tell you what are different type of converters, how we are converting these. Okay? Basically, the thing is, we are going to process huge amount of data. The processing can be done. The data can be stored in cloud, and that data what we are going to process in big data may be of different volume, different velocity, or different variety. Okay, you got it?
Okay.
Now the thing.
Yes, I did.
From where we are going to get the data? Which are the fields we are going to get it? Normally, now the trend now, to my knowledge, for the last 3-4 years, we are getting more amount of data from these industries: medical, banking, automobile, telecom industry. Okay.
Okay.
So medical in the sense, what we will get is X-rays, so many things are coming up in ECG reports and everything, right? In big hospitals, they used to save this data.
Okay.
It might be ECG, X-ray. We have different concepts like for storing these process of different varieties. Banking in the sense, you are filling so many forms for challan
Yeah.
and all, right?
That is right.
These data, when it comes
Yes.
to automobile, what it's a highlight, in automobile, consider your bike or whatever it is, we have speedometer, right? Speed, to calculate the speed.
Yes.
These data even we are monitoring it now. Speedometer.
Okay.
Then when it comes to telecom industry, you are getting SMS, right? Like marketing. Like you get, recharge for 10 rupees, you'll get these that and offers. These messages every day, the different users, like every day, everyone is getting these messages, right? Different offers. Try to recharge for 10 rupees, you'll get 11 rupees.
Yes. Yes.
Like
Yes.
this. These things,
Yes.
like these are the various areas where we are getting the data from. And then it comes to
Yes.
Facebook, Twitter, so on.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the various industries from where we are getting the data, and based on the big data technology, now we are processing it. Now comes to see the parts of Hadoop. Okay, Hadoop is having two main parts. One is HDFS, that is Hadoop Distributed File System. The second one is called MapReduce. The first one, HDFS, is meant for storage, and MapReduce is meant for processing. So once we get into the big data technology, we are going to concentrate more onto these two areas, HDFS and MapReduce, because it's for storage and the other one is for processing. The store data we are going to process through MapReduce concept. Okay.
Okay.
You have any queries on this? That,
Yeah, I have two queries.
yes,
First
go
thing,
ahead.
you said that when I asked the question that how is it that cloud is going to be more beneficial in compared to servers, then you said that
Mhm.
if you have servers, then you have to maintain a duplicate copy of every data. For that, you need a primary server and a secondary server. But you
Yes.
said that for cloud, the master copy can be stored in the cloud, and the slaves, I mean the duplicates, they can be stored in the server, right?
Yeah. Yes.
But when you're saying that the master copy is being stored in the cloud, uh,
Mm-hmm.
how is it going to, I mean, bring down the requirement of space, memory space?
Fine. Yes, your question is very good. The thing is that the reason we are going to process the data, right? We are not going to directly put the data into the databases. No, we are not going to put
Yeah,
directly to the server. We are going to process only then we are going to store.
you're going to process first, then you're storing.
See, normally what happens is, I'll give my window. So here what happens is you'll be getting the data in servers and these data can be also updated in cluster, right? This is how it works.
Uh,
The data will get and we'll put in the primary server and update in the cluster, that is the secondary server.
okay.
Here what we do is we'll get the data.
Are you writing on notepad? I cannot see the notepad.
Yeah. Are you able to see now?
No, it's showing the PowerPoint.
Uh, what about now?
It's still showing the PowerPoint.
Okay, then I'll write it over there in the PowerPoint itself. Server,
Yeah, I
sorry,
can see
date
now.
will be getting. Okay. Now here we are going to store in the cloud in a compressed format. My map reduce and cluster.
Jitin?
Yeah,
Yeah, you're writing on the notepad, right?
yeah.
But it's showing the notepad, but the fact that you're writing, I mean, I cannot
No, I'm
see
just,
letters coming out.
I'm editing. I'm editing over the traditional methodology, the previous window, right? I'm just editing over there. I'm not writing
Okay.
anything new. Are you able to see now?
I can see you have written till just cloud, that much.
Okay, wait for it. What about now?
Oh, okay, fine.
First one will be storing in primary server. From there we are going to update in the cluster. That is the same thing. If it is one, we are going to put it as one in the next one. That is the traditional methodology. When it comes to big data, we are going to compress by MR method, that is MapReduce process, and we are going to put in both the
Mm-hmm.
cases. For that we can get
So,
to know only once it's on. Yeah.
okay, so you are removing the need of primary servers.
Not we are removing the need of course the cloud is going to be the primary server here. Here the concept is
But
master slave actually. Data, the concept is master and slave. Here there will be if primary server is 1:1 ratio. If it is one server,
mm-hmm.
there will be one primary, one cluster. Here it can be 1:10. There will be number of slaves. The slaves can, the thing is like once you compress this, for example,
Uh-huh.
think 10 GB of 8 TB, okay, 10 TB, they will make after compression, will make it to 10 GB. Or